I sold the invidia exhaust to the homie. They had to modify it a little bit just to make it work on the G37, but it wasn't that bad. It looks nice. Oh shit, shit dope. See how it sounds in the cabin though. A little pool.
It's not that bad. I like it. It's not that bad. That's how you get it, but I like it, bro.
You gotta get test bikes, bro.
Yeah.
What is up guys? It's a couple days after since I last updated you guys, but as you can see by the previous clips, I sold my exhaust. So at that moment I was like, fuck it, let's just order a brand new exhaust, you know, since I had to. And as you can guess, we got a fucking Tommy. I said fuck it, we'll try out single X again. I was gonna go with ISR, but I had some fitment issues, so I just said fuck it, pull the trigger. And let's go ahead and take it out the box and see how it looks like. I went with the ISR white pipe just because, you know, it's good flow, and for the price you can't really beat it, you know. So I went with that. So I'm gonna have ISR headers, ISR white pipe, and the Tommy motherfucking catback. So we're rolling it up now. Sheesh, that shit's crazy. Won't you look at that? Damn. The welds on these are fucking crazy, man. Fucking clean ass welds. So let me go ahead and jack up the back side of the car, just so it could all be all jacked up and shit, just so I don't have to struggle putting on the exhaust. And we'll probably just put it on right now. I got the 351, and I'll show you guys why I got the 351, just because, you know, it sticks out a lot more, and that's what I like. Especially since I got the carbon diffuser, I do not want that shit burning up or anything. I feel like it might touch a little bit just because it pokes out a little bit more down, but I'll adjust a little bit. A little bit. But sheesh, this is beautiful, man. Can't fucking wait. Header supposedly in 2 weeks, man. I've been waiting for like a fucking month already. But we'll go ahead and check this out and go ahead and jack this up. Alright, so that was a long time trying to get this all together and shit, but you got this band, this clamp, the same shit over here. Then that's just for the muffler, to get that in here. And it's pretty much all together now, pretty tight. I just brought out the white pipe just so I could match it up, you know. Should be good though. Let me go ahead and put it on the car and see what's up. Damn, so it's like fucking 2 hours after, and I'm just test fitting this bitch, and this shit was fucking a fucking hassle, but sure does look a little bit better. It's gonna poke out a little bit more once I put the white pipe and everything all connected together, but damn, sure does look different though, I'll tell you that. I don't know. I'm waiting to see how it's gonna sound. The only thing that was like a fucking bitch to do is like it like rubs on that, you know. So like the only thing I'm scared of is like I smacked the fucking muffler hella hard and it just makes a dent. But fuck, you know, they sell replacements for it. But the middle hanger, I'm probably not gonna put it on just cause like it puts more force on this, and it's pretty sturdy just with this one. Once I put the white pipe and everything else connected, I'm pretty sure like it's gonna be like probably like this, like a little gap on it. I'm gonna try to make it do it like that. But overall, I mean, I could probably like screw it up a little bit more. Ah, fuck it. But still, you know, it's a 350 told me, so it sticks out a little bit more. Like if I had got the regular one, it probably would have been like a little bit less. It's probably gonna be like until like right here once I put everything all together, right? Damn, this is gonna definitely feel different, sound different, look different. Might have something else coming too. I don't know. We're gonna have to check. But damn, sure does look better. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video, guys. Just showing you, selling my exhaust and showing you my new one. And hopefully next video will be fucking retune and everything. And I'll catch you on the next one, guys. Peace.